Hey guys, this is Mike here with Total Link Solutions. Today I just want to show you guys a nice little low-cost upgrade for any manual press. We actually have the new Total Link Solutions press arm tape. Simple little product. It's just a sticker that goes on any of the press arms and stuff. I just have a single one color, one station press right here just for the example. But this can go on any 4.6, 8.8, whatever you got and stuff at your shop. So basically just take it, peel off the backing, and then you're going to want to take the side with the little black marking and bring it back. Take off one more piece of tape. You want to bring it back as far as you can to the gate and square it up as best as possible, and just adhere that down onto the press arm. And it is as simple as that. Then what you do is you take your platen and you just put it on the arm like usual. And now, let me take this off of the stand here. Now you can see, for adjustment purposes, you now have a tape measure on your press arm, so you can set any of the platens across the board to the same distance away from the gate, making your life a lot easier when you're adjusting for sweatshirts versus say youth shirts, etc. Well, hope this makes your life easier, and if you need this, take a look on our website at totallinksolutions.com, where you can get all your supplies and ink. Thanks guys, and have a great day.